How we divide 25,013 divided by 4. We have table 4. I'll start with the left digit. We have 2. هتcheck 2 smaller than 4. Write 0 up and take 1 digit. We have 25. هتcheck about 25. 25 greater than 4. Then search about 25 in table 4. 4 times 6 is 24. And 4 times 7 is 28. 25 between 24 and 28. Take the smallest. Write 6 up minus 24 down. Subtract. We have 1. Drop 1 digit. We have 10. Check 10 greater than 4. Search about 10 in table 4. We have 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 3 is 12. 10 between 8 and 12. Take the smallest. Write it 2 up minus 8 down. Subtract. We have 2. Drop 1 digit. We have 21. Check 21 greater than 4. Then search about 21 in table 4. We have 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 6 is 24. 21 between 20 and 24. Take the smallest. Write 5 up minus 20 down. Subtract. We have 1. Drop the last digit. We have 13. Check 13 greater than 4. Then search about 13 in table 4. We have 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times 4 is 16. 13 between 12 and 16. Take the smallest. Write 3 up minus 12 down. Stop. We have 1 and stop. L1 is the remainder. And 6,253 is the quotient. Then the answer is 6,253 remainder 1. 5,780 divided by 3. We have table 3. I'll start with 5. Check 5. 5 greater than 3. Search about 5 in table 3. 5 between 3 and 6. Take the smallest. Write 1 up minus 3 down. Subtract. Drop 7. 27 greater than 3. Then search about 27 in table 3. We have 3 times 9 is 27. Then write 9 up minus 27 down. Subtract. We have 0. Drop 8. Check 8 greater than 3. Search about 8 in table 3. We have 3 times 2 6 and 3 times 3 9. 8 between 6 and 9. Take the smallest. Write it 2 up minus 6 down. Subtract. And drop the last digit. Then we have 20. Check 20 greater than 3. Then search about 20 in table 3. We have 3 times 6 is 18 and 3 times 7 is 21. 20 between 18 and 21. Take the smallest. Write 6 up minus 18 down. Subtract. Then we have 2. 2 is a remainder and the quotient 1926. Then the answer is 1926 or 2.